What's up, guys? Monty Tech help with another video for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix low CPU speed during gaming. I had this experience during gaming, so I'm just going to bring it to YouTube to show you guys how to do it as well, fix this issue. So the first thing you want to do is open up Google, Microsoft, whatever, search up throttle stop. After you open up throttle stop on Google, click the first link, Tech Power Up, download the beta, the latest stable. Just click one of these, doesn't matter. You're gonna open the file, go back to your downloads, extract the file. After you extract, it should bring you here. You're gonna double click throttle stop. It's gonna give you a warning, and you're gonna press OK. You're gonna keep it on the first dot here. Turn on high performance. Check speed shift. Put this to 0. Go to TPL. Check this MMIO box, and then you're gonna turn on speed shift. And you're gonna put it might be different numbers for you. I'm not sure, but for me it's minimum is 8 and max is 38. So for what I do, my CPU is a Core i7 7700 HQ. So the max CPU speed would be 3.8 gigahertz. So for me to get 3.4 gigahertz stable, I would put my numbers to 34 and 34. And if you go to Task Manager, for me I don't for Task Manager, it would show my CPU staying at 3.39 gigahertz and it's not moving. So that's what you should do with your CPU. Just change it to like 5 below. This probably would increase your like your CPU temperatures, but you don't have to keep it on all the time. Only when you really need it. Like for me, I only used it when I was gaming because I wanted to tab out, and every time I tabbed out, my computer would be mad slow. So that's what I did, and then just press save, and then you could just minimize it. And that's what I did. So hopefully this helps you guys.